The 1/8 scale Nitro monster truck legend is here. What's up, Nitro Gang? This is the brand new 2021 HPI Savage. The beast is back. In this video, I will be completing the HPI recommended break-in as they outlined in this awesome HPI manual. I've already done 2 tanks at idle. I still gotta do tank 3 and 4 in this thing. And for HPI, the recommended tank 3 and 4 procedure is basically driving it around at up to 50% throttle. Now, did they say they want me to drive this around? Well, guys, I got absolutely no problems with that. The only situation might be I might run out of this Bones Brute 30%. Before I fire it up, let me give you guys a little bit of a pointer if you're gonna be picking up one of these. I already know some of you guys in the NitroGang group have gotten one. Now notice, I have myself an exhaust deflector. Well, that is because the normal plastic tuned pipe sticks out right over here, and this entire side of the chassis winds up being extremely dirty and full of oil. Now, oil in a Nitro, that means you're running rich and loud, and that's okay. So far, the Savage has not given me anything to be upset about. It's a 1/8 scale Nitro monster truck legend. On this channel, we do things the right way. We read the owner's manual, and we never try to kill a Nitro. We make sure no Nitro ever dies. This whole time I'm here, this New York City Parks Department diesel truck is idling its engine. Now some people say, bro, Nitro's bad for the environment. Well, you know what's worse? A diesel Dodge Ram idling its engine for about an hour while you're trying to make a Nitro video.
Are you ready?
Electronics on. Let's raise the throttle, trim a little bit. Guys, this HPI radio, one of the best benefits is it has an actual throttle trim knob. I'm gonna raise it a little. Nice and rich, guys. Look at that. Sickening smoke coming out that pipe. I love it. We're gonna warm it up a little bit. The motor is running super nice and cool. Look at that. No problem. Consistent, nice, low idle as well. Now, of course, it is super rich. And the clutch, you can tell, it engages a little late. That is what these 0.9mm springs do, guys. We got a freaking smoke trail in the back. Goes super rich as expected. You know, this is the HPI factory tune. But this is the proper break-in, my dudes. What's the temperature? Running very cool. About 160 degrees max, I would say. Very consistent idle. All right, guys, that was tank 3. You know, the thing was really rich. It didn't hit any high RPM, but that's fine. Let's fill her up again. We're gonna do a little bit of onboard driving. And this time, I'm going to lean out the motor a little bit. I got my screwdriver over here. We will do about 1/3 of a turn to lean it out. Brakes are incredible. Well, guys, that was tank 3 and 4. You know, towards the end of tank 4 there, the motor started running a little bit better. I leaned it out a little bit. Oh, I got something in my eye. Oh, must be all the dirt from the Savage I just ran it in. But anyways, eyes don't matter. Only a nice, rich break-in matters. You know, the break-in is one of those things that has to be done. But when it's done correctly, and you follow the proper HPI recommended break-in, which is the first 2 tanks mostly idle, tank 3 and 4 some moderate driving up to about 50-something% throttle. Really what it comes down to is, don't kill your nitros.
A killer complexion is often a great alibi. Violence and no consorts with violence and gore. I guess I'm a pretty sick guy. With my beauty red face and a face full of spleen, my scene's extreme.
I have a special sentence for you. If you smell what the Nitro Gang is cooking.